In the vast digital universe, there was one, Ubuntu, strong, open, and full of dreams. She stood alone in the silence, watching the data cosmos spin around her, waiting for someone who could truly match her spirit. But she was not alone for long. One by one they came, the suitors of the database world. Oracle, rich, flashy, but a little too bossy. MySQL, popular and friendly, but sometimes just not enough. SQL Server, well-dressed, but locked in a golden cage. CockroachDB, resilient, but let's be honest, not the most romantic name. MongoDB, modern and flexible, but a little unpredictable. DB2, wise and experienced, but maybe a little old school. DynamoDB, adventurous and fast, but hard to settle down with. Yellowbrick, shiny newcomer, still finding its place. And then, there he was. Here comes the hero, her dream guy. PostgreSQL, calm, confident, charming, strong enough to handle anything, yet gentle enough to never lose her data. They are about to become one, or at least as close as a bride and groom can get in a terminal window. And today we're going to make them close enough.
And just like that, Ubuntu and PostgreSQL walked into the terminal together. Now it's our turn to follow them and actually set things up. So since we are not hardcore developer, we are just a backbencher. We don't need to bother about 1000 steps. We'll just follow the official documents. Open the browser, go to PostgreSQL website, downloads, Linux, Ubuntu. And please, always follow the official document. Random copy paste from the shady block is like eating street food from the wrong stall. Sometimes tasty, but sometimes permanent stomach damage. It's not good for you. I do care for you. This installs tools that help us securely download stuff. Without it, Ubuntu is like a delivery guy with no GPS. Order gone, food gone, and you are just hungry. Send the next command. This creates a folder where PostgreSQL setup files will live, like cleaning a cupboard before you dump new clothes in. And next step, this downloads PostgreSQL digital signature. Think of it like a movie ticket QR code. Without scanning it, no entry to the show. And next step, checking OS. This checks which Ubuntu version we are using, because PostgreSQL doesn't want to crash into some prehistoric Ubuntu fossils. So next step, adding PostgreSQL repository. So this tells Ubuntu where to find PostgreSQL. It's like saving your crush contact before expecting WhatsApp message. Next step, update source. This refreshes the package list, like refreshing your Instagram feed. Otherwise, you are still stalking your crush 2018 vacation pics. And next step, installation PostgreSQL. Here comes the big one. Downloading binaries, setting up services and default configurations. It's like installing WhatsApp. App plus background services plus auto startup, etc. Yes, it takes time. More than Prabhas movies these days. So meanwhile this installation completes, I have a quick question for you. If your life had a background music theme, which song would it be? Just comment it down. After completing this step, let's verify whether the package is installed or not. So for that, we use this command. This shows what PostgreSQL packages got installed. Main server, client tools, helpers and dev tools. Basically hero, sidekicks and production team, everything can be seen here. And the next step, checking services status. By this command, we can check if PostgreSQL is alive and running. Active is good. Inactive is bad. Basically a pulse check whether a person is out or not. To enter into PostgreSQL, we need to run this command. This switches to the default PostgreSQL super user called Postgres. Basically the admin of the WhatsApp group. You can mute, kick or add anyone. When PostgreSQL is installed, it automatically creates a system user named Postgres. So this is the super user for PostgreSQL, which means it has full permission to manage the database. By default, you cannot just run PostgreSQL commands as your normal Ubuntu user. So we use sudo -u PostgreSQL-i. Sudo command is for running with admin privileges, and -u Postgres is for like switching to Postgres user, and -e start a login shell as that user. So after this command, any command you run like or PSQL are executed as a Postgres super user. So PostgreSQL actually listens to you. And next we enter the PostgreSQL. So we just type psql and hit enter. Now we are inside the PostgreSQL command line. Welcome to the control room. And let's explore few commands that are daily useful. Slash con info. This gives us the connection details by which user to which host we have logged in. Slash l. This lists databases. Slash du. This lists the users and roles. Slash dt. This lists tables. Slash dn. This lists schemas. Basically, it gives full system status. We are ready now. So for now, let's end this video by creating a new database. To create a new database, we just need to run this command create database name. So in this case, let's keep our database name as this. And here it is, our first database. A new database created. Feels like setting up your first home, except no rent, no EMI, just pure PostgreSQL vibes. And that's it. PostgreSQL is installed, running, and even created our first database. Ubuntu found her partner, and we get our DB ready for action. Next time, we will actually start playing with queries. Until then, don't forget to answer my random questions in the comments. This is your friendly backbencher signing off.